Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave.
This is the antipasta platter. Smells delish.
Can I grab this menu?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. What do you say about that, chef?
It's different.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna dig in. Antipasta platter. Got the meats. Got the tomatoes.
Don't forget the
Artichoke, I guess.
Cheese. Fresh peppers.
Bread.
Also put salt and pepper here.
The olives. I'm looking for it.
Olives are here. Peppers are here. What is this? Something like salami. I forgot.
Yeah. I do.
Artichoke.
Yeah. We're gonna get at this, y'all. See ya. Okay, this is what we ordered. Michelle ordered sausage, mushrooms, pepperoni, and banana pepper. I don't see no banana peppers.
Must be the mellow.
All right, let's get at it. Okay. This pizza, and the sausage at the sausage and everything we got on it. That sausage is hitting. This is a good pizza, thin crust. Everything came on quick. Good stuff.
You have to tell them not char.
Say it again?
Not char.
Not char mean no char at the bottom. That sausage all on this motherfucker. I mean the pizza. Whoa. And the antipasta platter was good too. With plain. Since it's a cold dish. We got a long flight. We were gone for 6 hours. So, see ya.